Alright, what's up y'all? This is Drew Bradstreets. We're here for day one, Harris Chain of Lakes, Leesburg, Florida. Can't wait. It's kind of a weird fishery for me. Always kind of struggled here for some reason, but we're going to go out and see if we can catch them today. We found some fish that I think we're going to have to ourselves, but it's kind of a bite that can go away in an instant. But we're going to go see what happens today and see if we can catch us a big bag. Check it out. All right, y'all, we just got back to the house after day one. We had a really good day, something like 17 pounds and some change. Had us sitting in third place today. Really awesome. We did cash a check. Super happy about it. I want to thank PartsVu and everyone else helping us this year. J3 Man Up and Go, ADS, everyone that's helped wrap the boat, Revolution Outdoors. It's just been an awesome year. We've had a lot of sponsors come on to help us out, and the results are really showing. We're getting to get a lot of practice in and definitely put our time in on these fisheries, and it paid off today with a third place finish. But we're gonna see what we can do tomorrow. I noticed it kind of maybe going away today, but we're gonna see if we can go make it happen again tomorrow, and we're gonna do what we can do. So check it out. What's up, y'all? We are gonna head over to Leesburg in just a few minutes, and hopefully do it again today. We had a really good day yesterday, really good for points. Third place again, cashed a check like I talked to y'all about last night. But we're gonna see if we can do it again today. I really hope we can, but I think that this full moon might have an effect on these fish, but that's definitely what we're gonna go try first thing, because 17 pounds in third place is nothing to be ashamed of. So we're gonna go right back there and see if we can do that again. We just wrapped up another day out on the Harris Chain of Lakes. It was a much tougher day. We ended up finishing around 60th out of around 100 boats, or 150 boats, sorry. So kind of middle of the pack, but we were around the fish to do much better, like we proved yesterday. But it is what it is. We still caught some fish and got us some points, but we really could have done better. I'm looking forward to the next tournaments. We got the Bobby Lane Cup over at Lake Kissimmee, the Kissimmee Chain of Lake. That one is definitely going to show out. The weights are always super heavy there. And then Lake Seminole up in Bainbridge. That's normally a very top heavy event. The weights on the top are very good, but a lot of people below that tend to struggle. But we're going to see what we can do there. Just covered up the PartsVu wrapped boat, and I can't wait to drag it to the Kissimmee Chain in Bainbridge, Georgia next, and I look forward to seeing y'all there.